that, Caroline?
Big Bird.
Caroline.
This is her birthday. See where Caroline is? Caroline is right here. Caroline's right here.
Caroline, who is that?
She's right there. That's the birthday girl. That's the mask.
Caroline, who is that?
Hi, Caroline. Come give Big Bird a big hug. Hi, sweetheart.
Give Big Bird a kiss.
Big Bird a kiss. Oh.
Oh.
How are you? Look what I have for you. This is for you. Look at Grover. Here. Here you go. That's for you. That's a zipper pull. You put that on your coat.
Caroline, who is that?
You gonna give Big Bird another kiss? Give kisses to Big Bird. Oh, Big Bird loves you. Well, I understand you're 3 years old now. What a big girl.
What?
Okay, let's go inside, Caroline.
Hi,
Caroline,
Come on, honey.
bring Big Bird in.
Come on.
That's your bird.
You gonna bring Big Bird
Yes, these are for Caroline for her birthday.
in? Big Bird
Oh,
can
you
see.
Hi, Uncle Roger.
Big bird. Big bird.
Hi, Uncle Roger.
Let's go inside.
Raj.
Oh, what?
How you doing, Raj?
Soft.
Huh?
You're soft.
Can I get a kiss? Whoa.
Who is that, Joseph?
I gave Big Bird a kiss.
Oh.
Hi there. How are you?
Holding on.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi. Okay, let's go say hi, Mom. Hi. How are you? Good. Mommy's gonna get a picture of us.
And you take that off. I'm waiting for you.
Charlie.
Charlie,
You look at Charlie.
Big Bird's here. Hey, Caroline. Look what Big Bird has for you. Big Bird tore the telegram. Here we go. These are for you to help you celebrate. And listen up, everyone, because I have a special. Come right over here, Caroline. Big Bird won't hurt you, honey. I have a special birthday Big Bird-ogram for Caroline. Caroline, you've reached the age of 3, and Mommy and Daddy are proud. So they've called Big Bird to fly down from the clouds and give to you a birthday wish of fun smells and laughter to carry you upon this day and even the days after. Caroline! Hey, Caroline, you're 3 years old, and 4 is coming soon. But until your birthday comes again, here's some magic balloons. Yeah. These will keep you safe and sound and keep you smiling too. But until this time comes round again, happy birthday to you. Well, let's give her a big hand and wish her a happy
Hey.
Come over here, give Big Bird hugs.
Birthday, Caroline.
Oh, what a big girl. You're getting so big.
Lucky
Yeah.
Caroline.
No, she was 3.
Is that Grover?
She's 2 years old.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's 2.
There's 2.
Oh,
That's
I
o-
thought it was 3.
That's okay.
That's okay. She doesn't know.
Big Bird.
That's okay. We could use this film for her 3rd birthday. You know?
Oh, Big Bird made a boo-boo. You're 2 years old. You're just a big girl.
Snuggle up to Big Bird,
Come on.
Caroline.
Okay, all the kids get around. Get over here. Come on, Joseph. Come on.
Come on.
Okay, everybody get over. Come here, Caroline. Come on.
Go see Big Bird.
Say Big Bird, you beautiful.
Oh.
Mommy takes some nice pictures.
Oh.
Yeah, move your
Okay.
Caroline.
Look at Mommy.
Hey, Caroline, what's Big Bird doing?
Caroline.
What's?
What? Kisses. Kisses for Big Bird.
Give a kiss to Big Bird.
Give kisses. Mwah.
Oh,
Oh, Big
balloons
Bird
keep
loves
going
these
in the way.
kisses.
Hey, stay over there, balloon.
I see a little baby over there.
Raj,
You know.
Oh,
get some good shot.
cute. What? That's for you. That's Grover.
Where'd Knock Knock
See
go?
Oh,
Grover?
Caroline, look at Big Bird. Bird brought you.
Yeah, you can put that on your jacket.
Wow.
Isn't that nice? Great.
Look at that little guy, Peter. Take some
Okay,
pictures
let's
of him
walk around, say hi to everybody.
if you'd like.
Hey, Mom, did you get it?
Get as many as you want. I'll duplicate them.
Dad, how about if you grab the camera and get a picture with Mom in
All right.
there?
Okay, come on.
Come on, Sue. Bring Petey out here so you can see him
Okay,
too.
go. Look, Pete, look,
Mom.
Daddy.
Look at Daddy.
Caroline.
Hey,
Caroline.
look at Daddy.
Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth, Caroline.
That's the funniest look in his
There we
face.
go.
Okay, let's get Mom and Caroline in here.
Hey, Big Bird.
Crazy over
Isn't
Big
this
Bird.
nice? Yeah, you
you know-
let Big
you know
Bird
what I
make your
did?
birthday
I
party.
called Big Bird. I said, hey, Big Bird, this time, can you hang around a little longer?
He said, the kids said I didn't stay long enough. I said, no, Daddy said that. Right? Big Bird would love to
I
stay
told
all
Big Bird, I said,
day.
I know you want to squeeze in a lot
Caroline's
of
so
birthday
Ah,
parties.
yeah, listen to Daddy. Oh. Who's that over there taking a snooze? Huh? Who's that?
Hey, Charlie,
Charlie.
you wanna go kiss Big Bird
Get
goodbye?
over here. How about we get together, Dad, Mom?
Yeah.
You want me to sit down
Come
like
on,
do you-
William. Will, come over here.
All right, let's go all sit down and have our
Come on.
family portrait taken.
Come on, let's go.
How about if I sit down, Joe? Okay, right here?
No, we're gonna have a family picture.
Okay.
Sweetheart.
Look, I don't
Come
care.
on, Jim.
Big Bird's here.
One picture.
Big Bird, shoot him.
Oh,
No, no,
wow,
no, don't
that's
shoot
all
them.
kinds of
Where's
money.
your camera?
Is that your allowance?
You're still. I'll take a still.
That's all out of film.
Wow.
Meme, right? Meme sent you
Come on.
that.
Isn't that
Come on,
nice?
William.
Wow, this is a great shot, guys. Jimmy,
William, go get the picture.
you have to sit nice so don't get in the picture.
Come on, William.
Okay.
William.
Okay, everybody hug Big Bird and say happy birthday,
Jimmy, don't do that.
Okay. Happy birthday, Caroline. Okay, let's sing a song.
They want a nice
Happy
picture.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Caroline. Happy birthday to you.
James, okay, come here.
Not doing anything.
Come here. Get those hands.
Come on, Sue.
You like your
Get those
birthday
hands
party?
down.
This is Pete.
Your family.
Come on.
Whoops, sorry, kiddo.
Look, we have a new cousin.
I know, and he's a handsome baby. What a good-looking baby.
Big Bird.
What?
You make beautiful babies.
Who came to your birthday party?
A Ninja Turtle.
Oh, and they, what do they say? Cowabunga, dude?
Yeah.
Right.
And awesome.
Liz,
Awesome. and
Say
radical.
something.
Yeah.
Hi, Ron.
And he said,
Turtle party.
party, dude.
Watch out,
Party, dude.
baby.
Yeah.
Did you have pizza for your birthday?
Yeah.
Caroline was a little baby.
Mmm.
And I had a sunlight for my birthday.
For about a week. All the kids talked about the
Very nice.
Oh, Big Bird loves Caroline. Oh, I think she's so content. She's
yeah,
ready
you know
to.
what?
I'm like a big pillow.
well,
You know, Big Bird, she watches you every morning.
Do you? Do you
Yeah.
watch me
Every
on
morning she
Sesame
wakes
Street?
up and she says, Dad.
Yeah, she always.
Oh, you watch the video.
Everybody else wants to watch
Oh.
Pee Wee Herman and Great Adventure, right?
Right.
And Caroline wants to watch Big Bird.
You love watching
And
me.
she always
And we have, we got. I didn't do it.
and they all say, why, Dad? Lots of milk. I say, I'm a happy guy. Don't talk to me about anything else. but
What do you
milk."
think? You gonna have some birthday cake?
Birthday cake.
Roger always liked his milk.
Oh, I get it.
Mom, let's take the picture.
I was deprived as a child.
Hard to feed both of us.
Mom, let's take the picture.
What are you gonna have some cake?
Where's Jimmy?
Charlie.
William, what do you have around your neck?
Go tell Jimmy to come out.
Walk Big Bird to
No way, I don't.
Hey, Jimmy, you having fun?
Come on, Caroline. We're gonna walk Big Bird to the door.
James, come back.
We're gonna walk Big Bird to the door. And then we
What do we do the picture?
Here, John.
I want to get up.
John,
Comfortable.
what did you say? I said it's going.
Bye, bye, give blow kisses.
Picture. No, Dad, take my picture.
Caroline, Caroline, hold Big Bird's hand. Hold Big Bird's hand. Bring Big Bird outside. Come on. Oh, hold her hand. Help Big Bird come out. Big kiss.
Big Bird, give me a big hug. Big Bird loves you, Caroline. I hope you have a happy second birthday. Okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Caroline. Bye-bye, sweetheart. You walk Big Bird to the door?
I'm a Big Bird fan.
Hey, see you later. I didn't see you. How are you?
Hey, get in the house. Charlie, get in the house.
I don't want to.
Come on.
Always. Carol, we have to keep them locked up.
Come on, Caroline. That's right. We'll keep you guys locked up in the closet next time.
You got it.
I bet. Hey, cowabunga, dude. You guys say bye-bye to Big Bird. Those are pretty. Bye-bye. You gonna shake your fanny? Shake, shake. Bye. Kisses. Whoa. Bye-bye, Big Bird.
Caroline, say I love you, Big Bird.
Bye-bye, Caroline.
Say it. Say I love you, Big Bird.
I love you too. Mwah. Bye-bye. Bye, Mom. Bye. Thank you, Big Bird.
Hey, hey, Big Bird. Great job.
Bye-bye, Caroline. Big Bird loves you. Bye-bye. Give me a hug. Hug. Oh.
Come on, big one. Come on, Joe. Give Big Bird a hug.
Oh, big hug. Oh, bye-bye. Woo. Wait a minute. Bye-bye, Caroline. Bye-bye.
Oh, listen to the music. Thanks, Big Bird. Caroline, say bye-bye to Big Bird. You're going in the car. She said, you're going in the car. Thanks, Big Bird. Yeah, Big Bird just got to go in the car.
Okay. Come here, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie. Come on, Joe. Say bye-bye, Big Bird.
Yeah, Big Bird's going in the car.
Say bye-bye, Big Bird.
He's going back to Sesame Street. He's going back to Sesame Street. Okay? Come on, Joe.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Charlie.